Of course. Because what would a vlog be without a biker going past you? Love that.
Hi sisters. Hi. Hi again. Awkward silence for 5 minutes. Okay, we're gonna start today with some egg whites. Gonna put it on your face, kids why not? A little bit of protein won't hurt. You're gonna smudge it on your face. Smudge. I don't know if that word. I might just created it today, but we're gonna go with it. Again. My eyes, my chin again. Okay, we get here. We got some tan spray thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6, 7. That's it. Okay, we got a paintbrush here. We're just gonna paint, more paint, hard, till you have a new shade of skin color. Don't try this at home. More paint. Hard on your chin. Yeah, get that thing over there. Your eyebrows, cause get them blonde, why not? Paint more and more. Chin, neck. I don't know what we're gonna use the same thing again. And some kinda paint thing again. New brush. Gonna put underneath your eyes. A small drop on your eyelid. And again with the paintbrush you're gonna paint. Just like you did before. Don't forget to get every drip of the paint on your face. Push your eye really hard till you wake up tomorrow with a pink eye. Really hard. Harder. Now we have something, I don't know what it is. And sponge. Use the same to the car. I think this is a baking powder. I put it underneath your eyes. The sponge that your boyfriend uses to clean his car. More. Because why not? We have this Smashbox. This is the old version of TikTok. There's different colors. Clearly I use only one. She uses only one. With a kind of brush. Over here, you're gonna focus on your chin. Make it really sharp to the point you can slice tomato and some cucumber, and you're gonna have a salad at the end of the day. I don't know if this will look with the baking powder. She's gonna leave it forever, or She's gonna wipe it or do whatever. I don't know. I guess we gotta watch and figure out later. And when you get to the nose, you're gonna make sure try to like make it as small as possible, especially if you're a Middle Eastern. Oh wow, look at that. She's using different color now, which is new. Probably she had this thing for like 7 years now. Over here, she's getting her cheeks ready for me to grab it later. And again, same routine, just paint. A little bit of crown. Trying to feeling queen today, so here we go. And if you got to this part, don't forget to go down to comment, like, subscribe to the channel, and comment #paint. Again, we paint it again and again with a paintbrush, and we come back with a baking powder with the same sponge that your boyfriend uses for the car to clean. Dab on both sides 7 times. What the hell is this? Why it's so big? This thing is by Ed Murphy, I guess. And I don't know when Apple started making brushes. They should have called it a brush. And over here to the eye part, we're gonna mix some colors, and we're gonna try hide the black circles you had from the previous long sleepless week. I'm a desert boy, I'm trying to make it. I'm a desert boy, came from Middle East. I ate big feast with my 7 goats and 7 camels. I'm a desert boy, I'm just trying to make it here on YouTube. Oh, by the way, go follow her on Instagram too. And I'm a desert boy too. Now we're gonna switch the color, and we're gonna mix till it looks like hot chocolate. And you're gonna keep blending and don't push too hard. Hello? And now you're gonna pick the white color, because same color as your face. Pretty much you're gonna undo what you did, because you just had the mental breakdown and you change your mind and you're gonna stay at home. And now you're gonna do the second eye. And a little bit itchy nose. And just like that, all your work you've done is gone now. when you're gonna realize the brush is not working, so you're gonna use your finger. Got something in her eye. I don't know what she's doing. Back with this thing. I think you used to detail your cars. Now we're gonna brush the eyebrows. Never seen a brush for the eyebrows before, but we're moving. We're chilling. It's 2021. We've seen COVID. Now it's fine to see some eyebrows brushes. And we're pretty much shooting for the mohawk look for the eyebrows. Still brushing. Brushing the other one. Brushing. Keep brushing. Move. Look at that. Fresh brushed eyebrows. Now you're gonna bring small head pin Sharpie and you're gonna color your eyebrows like your garden's fence. You're just gonna do lines up and lines till you have a whole garden, a whole fence on your eyebrows. And this is pretty much, if you didn't figure out by now, it's filling the gaps between each hair, and it's pretty much like Bondo but for faces, for eyebrows. And now filling up the gaps for the second one too. Okay, just gonna flex on you a little bit with my Dior. Okay, and if you made it this far, and if you're interested in any of these products, it's gonna be all linked down below in the description. Okay, I guess this is probably Sharpie. We're just gonna put on both eyes, just like wings. Wow. 6 transformation, a little bit of lipstick. And if you got to this point, I hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And I'm gonna leave you to the final reveal. Don't forget to rate it down in the comments. Out of 10, I think it's 1,000,000. Thanks guys for watching. Hello? Hi? Hello? Transformation. Some people say this is the zombie of the Red Riding Hood.
Not spilling the tea, just drinking it.
Servant, servant, my servant, where are you? Servant, servant, and again servant. You're so fired. Servant, hello?